biological diversity is effectively floating around in the air all the time. We can't see it, but these microscopic particles of DNA are simply there in front of us wherever we go. My name is Elizabeth Clare. I'm a professor in the Department of Biology at York University. We work on biodiversity at all scales, from entire continents and landscapes down to the interactions that happen between an animal and a plant in the environment. Biodiversity underpins everything: food security, water clarity, soil productivity, health, mental health, our ability to live within our own ecosystem. Biodiversity is integral to all of these things, and it's one of the main things that permits our society to function. The problem with biodiversity is that every method we have to measure it is specific to a group of species or to a location, and it's very labor intensive. There's almost no way that we can scale our approaches to the scale that we need, the idea of whole countries or continents at once. We discovered a few years ago that biological material like DNA is carried in the air from animals and plants and anything in the environment that sheds it. And pollution monitoring systems are designed to collect tiny particles of material from the air. They do this all the time. And what we've discovered is that as an accidental byproduct, when they suck in particulates to measure dust and pollutants, they're also sucking in that same biological material. And so we can use them, we can piggyback on the system and look at the biological material they collect at scales we've never considered before. Thousands of fixed point samplers distributed across entire countries, simultaneously measuring biodiversity accidentally. The power of this is that it presents the first way we can actually monitor biological diversity at a global level. I run a research group here with a dozen different people who've helped us, from field collections to lab personnel and collaborators that are working on different ways to analyze this data. And so it's been an important centralizing position for us to coordinate a team that are trying to understand the power of this data.